Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here, solve for x. Equation 1, this is given, equation 2 is given. So let's name them so. So in order to solve them, these are linear equations in two variables. Thus, we can solve them simultaneously using elimination method. Now in order to do that, we'll need to multiply equation 1 with 6. Multiplying equation 1 with 6, we get 8 by 3 into 6x plus 5 by 2 into 6y equal to minus 11 by 6 into 6. So we get 16x plus 15y equal to minus 11. Let's name it equation A. Next, what we do is we multiply equation 2 with 4. What we get is 4 into 4x minus 7 into 4y equal to 51 into 4, which is coming as 16x minus 28y equal to 204. Let's name it as equation B. Now in order to find value of y, what we'll need to do? We'll need to subtract A from B. What we get is 16x minus 16x minus 28y minus 15y equal to 204 minus of minus 11. So what we get is 16x minus 16x is 0, minus 28y minus 15y is minus 43y, which is equal to 204 minus of minus 11 is 204 plus 11, which is 215. If we observe carefully, we see that we get 200 y equal to 215 by 43, which is negative 43, so which is equal to minus 5. So we get value of y equal to minus 5. Now in order to find value of x, what we'll need to do, we'll need to put this value of y in equation 2. Putting y value in equation 2, what we get is, let's see, 4x minus 7y equal to 51. So 4x minus 7 into minus 5 equal to 51. So what we get is 4x minus of minus is plus. So plus 35 equal to 51. So we get 4x equal to 51 minus 35, which is equal to 4x. 11 minus 5 is 6 and 5 minus 4 is 1. So we get x equal to 4. X equal to 4. So let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option C.